Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect Xbox One controller to Android. So you can connect your Xbox One controller to an Android device using Bluetooth, and or you can also use a USB cable, but in this video I'm going to more focus on connecting through Bluetooth, which is the wireless method. So the first thing to do is to enable the Bluetooth on your Android. Then once you do that, to be able to turn on your Bluetooth, you have to go to the settings or open your settings, then click on Bluetooth and turn it on, then put your Xbox controller in pairing mode. So to do that, you have to press and hold the Xbox button to turn it on, then press and hold the pairing button again on the top of the controller until the Xbox button starts flashing a flashing light, which shows that this is ready to connect. Then go and then pair with your Android device. Then in Bluetooth settings, look for the Xbox wireless controller, then tap to pair it together. Then once connected, the Xbox button will stop flashing, which shows that the two devices are connected. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to connect Xbox One controller to Android. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.